In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram tag and mention option not working problem. Solve this problem, you can follow the steps. Open Play Store and update your Instagram apps. From here, you make sure your Instagram apps is updated. If your Instagram apps is not updated, then update your Instagram app. It helps to fix Instagram tag and mention not working problem. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search Instagram apps, tap on Instagram, then click on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache. Clear cache data, it helps you to fix Instagram tag and mention not working problem. Step 3, open your phone setting, tap on Wi-Fi connection, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Step 4, restart your device. Step 6, open Instagram app, tap on profile picture, tap on 3 line or horizontal line, scroll down, tap on tag and mention, turn on allow tag from everyone, allow mention from everyone, turn on. Then you can solve this problem. In this video helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel.